Accessibility-wise, what do you think?
It's very accessible. if you're in a wheelchair and you want to go to a grave for some crazy reason, you're welcome. But when you're dead, I don't think you'll have to worry about accessibility. You'll be carried there. Yes. I promise.
Olha cá.
You'll get there.
And it's marmor.
Very light.
Steps are with marmor. Yeah.
Yes. No, it's super expensive. Yeah. Unnecessary expensive.
Yeah. Steps are with what?
Marble.
Oh, maybe.
All of it. Look at that.
You need to stop that up.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's older.
Oh, this is like a house, huh?
Yes. Sí, en español es mausoleo o bóveda. Sometimes it's, what they say the last name is the whole family, or say name and last name.
Yeah, they're taking the space away.
Carolina, cuando él estacionó en un lugar que no tenía más sin placa, llevaron porque pagaron, la niña está aquí, porque pagaron la consulta, tuvo que dar para el carro,
So I see people look at me and smiling, and I remember I'm wearing.
Messi.
I'm gonna drop my package.
Ingresos Argentina. Está aquí en el cementerio de la Recoleta.
Ótimo. You come in for free. You come in for free. They come in for free.
Ah, também?
I come in for free.
Because you accompany me, is that right?
Yes.
VIP treatment.
Well, you be silent. Don't say that.
Free for me. Free for you.
Free for me, free for
And I
Kingsley.
found this free. Oh, gracias.
Gracias. Here we go.
Oh, wow, look at this one. So the locks as well, huh? Wow.
And that's the entrance. Yeah.
This is the entrance.
Ok, tá bien. Nós estamos acá. So this is the entrance. So for Kingsley, as you notice, we have to get in from a different entrance. Just tell them that you're a wheelchair user and you need to use the... No, here. What do you think, babe?
Yeah.
What do you think, Bessie?
I didn't think it was going to be so spacious. I thought it was just going to be very narrow paths. Yeah, so far it is big.
Yeah. That's right.
The actual, yeah, actual coffin. So people are, so it's just a technology that you can use to make people resurrect. Then you can come to the graves and then wake them up. Yeah.
Yes.
So this is the first time we are together.
We always, one is always behind the camera.
Ah, always in the screen. They never are.
Bye.
We are ruining the shot.
No. That's what we call a final stone door. Isn't it? Look at the door.
Yes,
The door is made from
marble.
the marble. Yeah.
Marble. And then people pay to have their kitchen.
Yes, a lot. In Brazil, it's super expensive.
Yeah.
And they make an entire building to a dead people. Jesus, famous general, Rambo.
No podemos ir donde está San Martín. O San Martín está acá.
No,
San Martín está acá.
It was like somewhere down. I got lost here first time I came here. I got proper lost here.
it's like a maze if you lost the north.
Yeah. If you get tired, you can always open the door and just go.
Yes, sleep a little. Take a little nap.
Be quiet.
Yes.
It's almost like a dorm. You know, you have bunk beds.
Oh, when I came one time, it was no people,
Yeah.
and have a lot of cats. A lot of cats. No,
¿Qué pasó? Acá había muchos gatos.
gatos. Pero, no, I don't know.
Now
Yes.
it's gone.
Yes.
They're somewhere.
Look at this. So interesting. If you shoot in there, have loads of coffins in there.
It's like a lot family.
Thank you for invading your privacy.
You rest, pride.
Rest in peace. Now look at this.
It goes on forever. You know what we should have done?
Are there street names?
I think some of them have it. Big ones.
Oh, you're going.
I'm lost.
There is a map.
There is a map, yes. Because most of the time persons lost in here.
Yeah, and imagine.
Imagine it's be sad going to visit your siblings and look at that. Look at it.
Nice.
Oh, wow.
It's like
And this one here has a picture, but it's like old picture. So this is probably been here for a very long time. Like old pictures. These people have lives like us. They went to work.
yes.
They
Yeah.
paid bills, and then So don't worry about anything.
Don't worry about it.
Because one day we're all going to die.
Yeah. See, the irony is the most important and rich people are in the same place, and the poor and the
Exactly.
humble people.
Exactly.
Yes. Well, here is family Emilio Santos. So here is the entire family, maybe, because it's the last name.
Yeah,
Ah,
the
que
family.
era presidente del club
Yes.
automóvil argentino.
Uh-huh.
Era acá.
Yeah, so this is the family burial.
See, here's Fernandez Varela. So the the surnames
person.
of the two families
Oh, okay.
when they marriage.
Ela querer. Vai querer.
How big that thing is.
Okay.
Que isso?
That's one's tomb.
Parece una película de terror.
No, una tumba. La tumba de uno solo. Sí, some tombs are unnecessary big. Familia Federico, replan.
Sabe quantas? É duas para baixo.
Yeah. Two floors.
Yeah. 2 floors down.
It's like a italic building.
Oh my god. Esto es como mucho, me parece.
Comisión de guía socia del Club del Pato.
Mira.
Olha só os detalhes. You see the detail on the mosaic at the top?
Ah, Leroy. Es Leroy.
Sí,
El
sí.
presidente.
The mosaic. You haven't seen? I never seen it.
Qué locura.
The unnecessary details. I don't think I can catch
That's
it.
a house, very much.
They breed.
See? We are gonna find where the first prime minister, female prime minister, is buried. Vamos. And we keep on going for quite a long time now. It's big. This place is big. Tem uma assim, né? Mas é na França, em Paris, também tem um assim, um cemitério, onde tem Oscar Wilde. O poeta Oscar Wilde tá lá, tem o Jim Morrison está lá, tem muitas pessoas lá também. E não são assim casómetros, o túmulo lá é diferente. Por exemplo, tinha um moço que morreu com uma bala na cabeça. A bala na cabeça chegou perto, né? You stood all that queue just to slide through it.
Yeah, what don't you do? Go in there?
Yeah, just go in there. Touch it. You know, if you rub it, it brings luck. That's why it's golden. Aproveite. Olha isso, que bonito.
¿Bien? ¿Vos habías venido? Sí.
No.
¿Nunca habías venido?
You know how people say like little Havana,
No, yo vine hace hace un montón.
little Brazil.
No, pero no había tanta gente.
Mira, San Martín.
No, está acá.
Cabral.
Es un... Yes, es un...
Algún chino.
I say that looks a bit creepy. That one is the creepiest one. Esse aí dá medo. Esse dá medo. Oh, wow. Look how big the angels are. Enorme.
Propulsor multido ciudadano.
They make it a statue, but more expensive than everything.
Yes. Yeah, that's not old. That's culture.